eXp is where innovation means more opportunity for you and your real estate business. eXp is the largest independent brokerage on the planet. This allows our agents to enjoy more resources to back their businesses. eXp still maintains the largest real estate firm in the U.S., ranked by closed sales since 2023. Take a moment to look at some of the amazing points that make us the #1 growth leader. We rank #1 in transaction size, volume, best brokerage since 2021. The future of real estate is cloud-based, and eXp Realty has not only embraced this concept, but completely dominated it. Our innovative model allows agents to work seamlessly from anywhere, leveraging cutting-edge technology that's essential in today's market. With world-class training and development, including live webinars, virtual conferences, in-person events, and top-tier mentorship. eXp agents are always ahead of the curve. And with eXp World, the opportunities for growth are truly unparalleled. This isn't just a brokerage, it's a revolution in real estate. At eXp Realty, we offer an 80-20 commission split. But here's the game changer. Once you hit your cap, you keep 100% of your commission for the rest of your anniversary year. More money in your pocket means more freedom to build your business, invest in your future, and live life on your terms. Take a peek at eXp's low cost to join. At eXp Realty, your income potential goes far beyond commissions. We offer incredible opportunities to build wealth through equity awards. Earn stock for milestones like capping, closing your first transaction, or attracting an agent to the company. Plus, you can choose to invest in eXp stock at a discounted rate, a program so valuable that 65% of our agents enroll voluntarily. And here's the ultimate reward. Our top agents can earn back their entire $16,000 cap in company stock. At eXp, you're not just an agent, you're an owner. One of the most exciting opportunities at eXp Realty is Revenue Share. And the best part? It's completely optional. Here's how it works. When an agent you sponsor closes a deal, a portion of the 20% split that goes to eXp is shared back with you. It's not taken from the agent. It comes from eXp's portion. What's even cooler? Agents are naturally curious when they see you thriving. If you love eXp, chances are other agents will want to know more. And when they join, you get rewarded. It's a simple, powerful way to create passive income while helping others succeed. Now let's take a quick look at the breakdown of Revenue Share. Since this is just an overview of eXp, we won't dive deep into the details right now. However, if you're interested in learning exactly how this works and how it can create passive income for you, just drop Rev Share in the comments and I'll personally reach out with a full breakdown. At eXp Realty, we believe in giving back and creating opportunities that enrich our local communities. One of my favorite initiatives is I Heart eXp Week, a time when agents come together to make a real difference. I love joining forces with local agents to volunteer and support incredible outreach programs. It's more than just real estate, it's about impact, connection, and serving the communities we call home. Of course, eXp also offers support 24/7 for its agents. We know real estate happens at all hours. If you have questions, let's connect. Feel free to message me below, visit this informative site, or give me a call. Interested in comparing your brokerage splits to ours with the commissions calculator? Bringing a whole team over? Or have questions about our luxury or commercial division? Reach out to me to find out more details beyond the scope of this overview video. Let's learn and grow together. Thanks for watching.